Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to make a text box transparent in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file and now click on your text box. This is a text box, so I'll make it transparent. Now click right button for properties. Also you can go this tools option and select comment option and click on this text box. Here you will open this text box. Here you will find this properties option. Also you can click right button for properties option. Now click this appearance option. Here you will find this opacity option. You can change this opacity manually and see this. I'll make it 50% and select OK. And see this, text box now transparent. See this. Also I'll make this text box transparent. Click right button and select properties. I'll make it 70% and double click on this text box and type your text. Type and change text color and see this text box also make transparent. In this you can make transparent a text box. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.